Hi guys, we are on lesson 111. Looks like this. And we're going to get started today. Today's phonics lesson is pretty short. We're just going to be recapping that CK digraph that we find at the end of words. At the bottom of this, I've attached another video for your CK review. But today we're going to get started inside the box. We're going to underline the CK digraph. So when we code CK in a word, we underline it to show that it's together and it makes one sound. So all digraphs, whether it's SH, PH, TH, all the digraphs get underlined. And so you're going to learn more about that next week, in the coming weeks after Easter, when we're talking about other digraphs besides CK in words. So we underline the digraph. At the bottom of your page today, I want you to sound out, all on your own. I want you to hear, what sounds do you hear in p, I, k, p, I, k. And we're going to, for that k sound, it's going to get that CK. So hopefully you found yourself writing P, I, CK. Now, we're going to code that word. So we're going to put a breve on the I, because it's followed by a consonant, and we're going to underline CK. Now, we talked really a lot, should look like this, about this kind of rule. So this word has 4 letters, right? I spell it P-I-C-K, but I only hear 3 sounds. So knowing this rule now, I know that there are some words where there's a sound combination that maybe comes together and only makes one sound. So there can be more letters in a word than there are sounds in a word. Excellent job, guys. Number 1 on the back. So this is going to be kind of like your independent work today. So I'm not going to show you my paper, because this is what you guys are going to turn into me kind of for your review of the skill and your sounding out. So it's kind of like a spelling test. We've done these several times in the classroom. Number 1, I'm going to give you a word to spell. It gives you the amount of blanks that are in that word. So that's one thing it helps me do. So number 1, the word is sack. S-A-C, sack. And that's showing me like a bag lunch. Sometimes we say a sack lunch or a bag lunch, just in case you're wondering which one of those pictures that is. So you're going to sound out that word, and when you hear that k at the end, you're going to give it that CK ending. Number 2, can you spell the word sock? S-A-K. Remember, when you hear that k, you're going to give it that CK, and you're going to draw a line to sock. Now, number 3 and number 4 both have blends. So number 3, the word is clock. Clock. And you're going to draw a line to clock. And number 4, the word is stick. St-I-C. St-I-C. Stick. Inside the box today, you have a new word for phonics, but it is not a new word for you guys. TWO. That is the number 2. So next to that word, I want you to write the number 2 to show that that is the 2 that it's talking about. So my paper looks like this. I've added that, and I have all of my words written in my box at the bottom. You're going to go over those words with your parents or grandparent, and today I want a picture of the back of your paper. So the words that you sounded out, I want to see those words submitted to me. All right, guys, tomorrow is our last phonics lesson. Super, super excited, and I will see you then.